Hi guys, it's been a while. So I'm using this sunscreen from Zaron Cosmetics. I know the quality is not as good as it's supposed to be, but I am tired of this procrastination. So though I've been busy for a while now, anytime I want to record, something just comes up. It's either there is no light or I don't like the way it's turning out. So I just made up my mind that today, no matter what happened, I must record. I'll be going in with this powder from Ezekiel all over my face. I just know that sometimes starting something is the issue. As long as I've started, then the rest will not be an issue. By the way, this setting powder is from Zaron Cosmetics. I know I look like a mess right now, but trust the process. Trust the process. Everything will turn out for good. So we are contouring. Blush. This one is from the palette Juvia's Bliss palette. What's the name of this palette? Zulu. So by the way, this one is from Classic. Classic. I made a mistake. The lipstick was too high. I'm trying to correct it. And this power supply just brought in the lights now. But guys, we'll move. I won't start doing any setup. No time for any setup. We move. We're just gonna continue recording like this. So I saw James Charles posted a video and I would really love to participate. So please, I might participate. When you see the video, help me tag him and share and wish me luck. At least I've gotten some sort of motivation to just get up and start creating content again. So for eyeshadow, I'm not doing much. I'll just go in with these browns. Oh, what did I touch? I actually didn't want to. Oh God, I didn't want to go with a shimmer. I didn't know. My hand went and touched the shimmers there. It's all good, sha. So I'm going in with a dark brown matte shadow. See, it gave it a bit of depth around that area. And funny enough, I actually have a lot of videos recorded, guys, in my archives, but I've not edited them. I'll try and edit them and post them. Anyhow, white eyeliner is big. I hardly wear black. I think black doesn't fit me. I've been wearing white for years. Sometimes when I wear white eyeliner, people will be like, "What's wrong with your eyes?" From Zaron, black gel liner. So I don't know, the spirit of Admo is making me do this, because I did not intend to do any drama, but I don't know. The spirit of add more is looking basic. Is making me do this. I'll just leave it this way before I'll go and do extra and spoil the entire look. But I honestly did not intend of doing this stuff right here. But I think it's cute. Guys, see what happened to me. Take a look at this eyeliner and this eyeliner. Can you see the difference? This one is too thick. This one is just normal and fine. So I don't know what to do right now. I have to clean this, make it look like this, or just make this one look like this. I don't even know. It's not that bad. It's just that it's not the same thing. I mean, like sometimes, most times, it can never be the same thing, but let it not be obviously different. And I think this is obviously different. So I just used foundation to reduce it, and it's looking good. The foundation now made it look like what's it called? Like as if I don't know what to say. It made it look good, I don't know. I want whatever. So I think this is better. I'll just wait for this to really dry up, then I'll add eyeshadow. I might probably go in here with the same foundation so it will still give the same highlight effect that it's giving here. We'll just I don't know what happened to me. I just went and messed up the entire thing. And I can't clean this makeup. Like, the devil is a liar. We've started, we just have to submit it or just finish it anyhow. This look cannot go to waste. And this content today, una must see am. Was this stronghold holding me down? If I'm not deliberate about them, I don't know. You see, but sure you see what I'm saying. Mama, now go work anyhow. This mistake, I don't care. It must work. It must work. That's better. So I'll just make this one look like the other side. That's better, I think. I'll adjust this. Just leave it like this. So we'll go ahead and dust excess powder off. Dust. And then some lashes. Should I wear lashes? Let me wear lashes. I'm using this Zekiel lashes. This one is called Morenike. Is it Morenike or Morenike? I don't know. What's the name? Mari Beauty Eye Cream. I don't know whether the brand is on IG, but I just went to one Malam's shop and he gave me these lashes. Oh, this lash glue, I mean, and I love it. It's doing the work. Mascara. And please don't mind my hair. I'm gonna lose it today. I just had to do this. I just have to kill the demons that are stopping me from just creating content. I know that if I start, it will be easier to, I mean, like, I know that starting is the issue, so anyhow we go just start, and that's what I'm doing. So I don't know, you watching me out there, you must have had a thought in your head, an idea to create something, and then you are there procrastinating. Don't be like me, oh. And I just pray after this I continue. Oh god, what am I doing? I'm just spoiling the eye. No matter what happens, I won't stop. I will not stop, even if I end up looking like whatever. I will not stop this makeup today. I must finish it. What team are you? Is it team tweezers or team fingers? So the last but not the least is the eyebrow. I'll go ahead and trim the brow. Yeah, that's good. Don't worry, everything will come together. Last, everything will come together. So I'm gonna off the hand. I will then go ahead and brush it. Do some edges. I think we can manage this now, right? Sure, we can manage this. Okay, I think we are good to go. So I'm gonna go and come back. So we are back. What do you think about the look? I am so happy. I'm so excited that I did this. I mean, I just needed a push. I just needed to start because I realized my village people were following. Excuse me. So this is the look, guys. What do you think about it? And I love this hair, this afro kinky hair. Guys, I am so happy that I'm able to do this. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. If you have watched up until this point, I don't know how to say thank you. I really appreciate you for sticking with me till the end of this video, and please help me like the video, leave a comment, share the video, and yeah, I don't know what to say again. Bye. See you in another video or picture or whatever, in another post. But I'm feeling this look, man. I didn't even know that it would turn out this great too. Huh? This is the meaning of trust the process. And it's so hot. I better go. Make this thing go carry my makeup go. I could just do like this when I get to where I'm going to. Yeah, and I'll bring it down. Bye.